Greetings everyone and welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be trying something different, so hopefully you guys will like the little something I add. Hopefully it works, because I already know it'll work when I start editing. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song In Moments Like These, and we're in the key of A flat. And as recently, I'll start off by doing the beginner tutorial, and then I'll go on to the intermediate section. It's 2 parts, so I'll do the same thing for both parts. So for the song goes like this. The beginner section will go so in moments, left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 1 3 5. In moments like these, left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 3 6 1. I'll sing out a song, so I'll sing out, left hand's playing a 2, right hand's playing a 6 1 4. Sing out a song. Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 5 7 2. Then repeat again. I'll sing out a love song. Sing out a love song. So you repeat that. To G. Left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 5 1 3. G. E. Left hand's playing a 2, right hand's playing a 6 1 4. Jesus. Left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1 2 5. Then you repeat it again. In moments like these, repeat as before. I'll sing out a song, right? Then you can do this passing chord before you repeat it again, where your left hand's playing a 2 flat, right hand's playing a 3 5, 2 flat. I'll sing out a love song, but this time instead of going to the 5 7 2, you go to a 4 6 2, 4 6 1. Love song. To the right, but I think you, instead of I'll sing out a song, I'll lift up my hands to the Lord. Anyways, most people just say I'll sing out a song, I'll say a love song. Alright, so that's part of it there. Now let's look at the intermediate section, right? So I like to play something like this. Let me try and focus this on chords rather than melodies this time. So in moments, so left hand's playing a 1 5 3, but obviously you can just do a 1 5 1 if you want. And play you can do a 1 5 1 left hand and play a 5 7 2 5 right hand. But you can choose to do this chord like this, where you're doing a 1 5 3 and on the left hand, and right hand's doing a 6 2 5 only, because it sounds very nice. In moments like these. Oh, it's a nice chord, but it's very wide, so I generally wouldn't play something like that, but then you can if you want. You can even do it this way, or just this way, where left hand's playing a 6 3 6, right hand's playing a 1 5 1. Or you can do a 2 5 1 to give it a little bit different feel. Or you can even do this. You can even do a 6 3 7 2 5 1. So it sounds like this. In moments like these, right? You can do that. Then I sing out a love, so I sing out a song. Left hand's doing a 2 1 2, right hand's doing a 4 6 1 4. Sing out a song. Left hand's doing a 7 5 7, right hand's doing a 2 5 2. Left hand's doing a 2 flat, 7 flat 2 flat, right hand's doing a 3 5 3, or you could do a 3 flats, 3 5 7 flats, 2 flats 3. I sing out a love, right? Then repeat again, 2 1 2, left hand. Then right hand's doing a 4, 6, 1, 4. Sing out a love song. The left hand's doing a 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Song to the left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5, 1. Alright, so literally that's that part there. Then we're gonna go to the chorus now. Apologies, I have a congestion in my throat. So beginner section, right hand will say singing, singing, right? Left hand's doing a 4, right hand's doing a 4, 6, a 1, 4, 6. Left hand's doing a 4, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 6. Singing I love. Left hand stays on the 4, right hand goes to a 7, 2, 5. Love you, Lord. Now we're going to a 1, left hand, right hand's going to a 6 flat, 1, 4. Lord. You're resolving that 1 to a 5, 1, 3. So singing I love you, Lord. Repeat it again. Singing I love you, Lord. Then the third time, singing I love. So the 4 left hand, 1, 4, 6. I love. Left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 2, 5, 7. Love. Then you're gonna go to a left hand's doing a 6 flat, right hand's doing a 2, 4. 2, 4, 7. Right. Next left hand's doing a 6, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1. Alright, then now we're gonna do a 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand's doing a 2, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4. Left hand's doing a 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand's doing a 4, right hand's doing a 4, 6 flat 2. Alright, left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand's doing a 5 again, right hand's doing a 4, 6, 2. Left hand's doing a 1, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1. Right? So what does that sound like? Sing. Alright, so now let's look at the intermediate section. What are we playing there? So here we know that we're walking up to a 4. We know we're doing a 4, right? So we can count it as doing like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Because technically we're doing the melody line is a 3, 4, 5, 6, but we're doing that 4 chord on that when you're playing the melody line in the 6. And whenever you'd have like a 3, 4, 5, 6, just know technically you're walking up to a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can play something like this. See, singing right? That's a nice one. So left hand we can do 1 octave. Right hand will do a 5, 7, 3. Now left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's doing a 5, 6, 1, 4. Now left hand's doing a 3 left hand's doing a 3 octave, right hand's doing a 5 1 2 5. Now left hand's doing a 4 1 3, right hand's doing a 6 1 3 6. So singing I love, back to this 3, so left hand's doing a 3 1 2, right hand's doing a 5 1 2 5. So you. Left hand's doing a 1 octave, right hand's doing a 6 flat 1 4. You're resolving that 6 flat 1 4 on the right hand to a 3 5 1 3. So repeat. Now we go to the third time. Same as before, but now we go here. So I love. Left hand's doing a 6 flat, right hand's doing a, sorry, left hand's doing a 6 flat 4 6 flat, right hand's doing a 7 2 4 6 flat 7. Now left hand's doing a 6 3 6, right hand's doing a 3 5 6 1. Then we go to the 2 3 4 5, right? But what I'm doing here, before the 2, I'm doing a passing progression, where left hand's doing a 2 flat 7 flat 2 flat, right hand's doing a 3 5 7 flat 2 flat 3 to a 5. Left hand's doing a 2 1 2, right hand's doing a 6 1 4. Left hand's doing a 3 1 3, right hand's doing a 5 1 3. Left hand's doing a 4 1 2, right hand's doing a 4 6 flat 2. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3 5 1 3. Left hand staying on the 5 octave. Left hand staying on the 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 4 6 2. Now left hand 1 5 1. Right hand 3 5 1. So you can also do this. Left hand's doing a 2 1. Right hand's doing a 5 flat 1 3, then we go back to the chord here, then resolve it back to the 1. There's multiple other things I can do there, but I think I've done enough for this song over here. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and next time guys, stay blessed.